Hey, okay, now I'm going to try to show you how to find your dose on the chart. Okay, if you were given a starter kit, then you are starting at the very first dose on the dose chart. Okay, it says this is the actual dose. This is not your dose chart, this is my dose chart. So you would look under the dose in milligrams, 1 milligram. And then you go over to the units, and it says 10 units. And then how long do I stay at this dose? 4 weeks minimum. I can stay on it longer, but don't rush, okay? So 10 units. 10 units. That's what I want, okay? And take my syringe out of the wrapper. If you have one that comes like this, take off the cap. Okay, first thing when you're filling your syringe is you're going to pull back the plunger so that you can fill it with air, and then you're going to push that air into your little vial, okay? So, air pushing into the little vial. Okay, then turn it upside down. Okay, you can see a little gap there, see? You can see the little syringe tip inside the gap. It's really helpful when you're running out of stuff, okay? So you push the air in, which makes it easier to pull out. Okay, and I'm pulling it back further than what I want. And what I want is 10 units, okay? So I'm gonna turn this to, see there's 10 mark. So hard to see on here. Okay, so that is 10 units. Tip it back upside down, have your needle in the air, pull it out. That is your dose, okay? Just further clarification, do not try to follow the numbers on this dose chart that I'm using as an example. This is an example. I send you a picture of your vial size dose chart and illustrations of your dose in units filled into a syringe, okay? Don't get confused by this. You're gonna have pictures of your dose. Don't listen to anybody else. Look at the dose that I sent you, okay? And the units. And try to remember the dose in milligrams. Now I'm gonna show you how to inject your medicine. Okay, just find some fat, clean it, okay? And you can use the fat in your arms, tummy, hip, legs, butt, anywhere where you have fat, and rotate your areas, okay? So then, don't do as I do. Okay, so then you pinch it. Just gonna, if you find a painful spot, just move, okay? There you go, done. Some injections, you're gonna need to rub it, but this is all good.